Welcome back. The NGX closed on a positive note amidst sell-offs and buy interest as the benchmark all-share index is appreciated by 98 basis points. The NGX CSI closed at 50,126.41 points to reflect growth of 0.98% from the previous trading day and a year-to-date return of 17.35%. Meanwhile, the market capitalization grew by 262.80 billion naira. At the close of market on Wednesday, 4th May 2022, the stock market exchange value currently stands at 27.02 trillion naira at the end of the trading day. The market breadth closed positive as Wema Bank led 31 gainers and 27 losers, topped by O&O at the end of the day session. Market sentiment trend towards the bulls, with the market's differential being in favor of the advancers as 31 gainers surpassed 27 losers. And now looking at the all-share index, we had it at 50,126.41, and then for the deals, 7,251 deals. The volume stands at 669.30 million. And for the value, 5.99 billion naira. The market capitalization closed at 27.02 trillion naira. And now a quick look at the gainers on the day. For the day, that's the 4th of May, we have Wema Bank, which last closed at 3 naira 50 kobo, with 10% increase, closed yesterday at 3 naira 85 kobo. Okumu Oil last closed at 147 naira, but with 10% increase, we have it closing yesterday at 161 naira 70 kobo. NB last closed at 57 naira 10 kobo, but with 9.8% increase, closed yesterday at 62 naira 80 kobo. Presco 143 naira 40 kobo, but with 9.97% increase, closed yesterday at 157 naira 70 kobo. For Itana, which last closed at 6 naira 2 kobo with 9.97%, last closed yesterday at 6 naira 62 kobo. And a quick look at the decliners. For O&O, which last closed at 6 naira 30 kobo with a depreciation of 10%, closed at 5 naira 67 kobo. For Transex PR, which last closed at 81 kobo, had minus 9.88%, and then it closed yesterday at 73 kobo. Mansard, which had 2 naira 44 kobo, had minus 7.79%, and that made it close yesterday at 2 naira 25 kobo. Ikeja Hotel, which last closed at 1 naira 40 kobo, had minus 7.14%, and that of course made it close at 1 naira 30 kobo. Qtex, which is the final one on the table, last closed at 2 naira 44 kobo, but with minus 6.5%, closed yesterday at 2 naira 29 kobo. And joining me is Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting. Good to have you on the show. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Nigel.
All right, welcome. Let's start with a review of the stock market. First, investors in the Nigeria equities market gained 262 billion naira on Wednesday as all-share index closed above 50,000. How would you describe the current positive sentiment in the market?
Well, the trend that what you to positive sentiment and the buying trade in the medium and high cap stocks. And that puts the price of equity, as you mentioned, above the benchmark index of 50,000. It shows that at this rate now, market, Nigeria market is becoming the most performing or the best market in Africa and all over the world as we speak. This will consistently rally the month of April, and now it's headed to the fourth trading day of the month of May. Yes, we know that market has crossed 50,000. As we speak now,
Thank you. Now, on the gainers list, Wema Bank led 31 other stocks with a 10% gain to close at 3 naira 85 kobo. What do you think led to this gain?
Yeah, well, if you look at the Wema Bank result, I'll say it's an improvement. So, among all the banking stocks, these are actually companies that any bank that gained yesterday. Take move on, but I'll tell you, for me, I'll tell you, if you're in that kind of stock, the one time for that see that's our price also that will take your profit. Because the power, the earnings that support that price, and to that, the earnings for customer is around 22 or 19 kobo. It's too low to support the price at the place. I would suggest that if you are still profit in that stock, you can take several for Wema Bank. But for those that want to invest, of course, I think they are also planning common market activities, so everyone that issue. If you also let stock activities go away with the bank, but you can make profit in Wema Bank, that take your profit and speak down.
All right, the shares of Okumu Oil was up 10% to close at 161 naira 70 kobo on Wednesday, while Presco gained 9.97% to close at 157 naira 70 kobo as well. What level of support do these stocks enjoy from investors?
Yeah, I'll tell you that this stock will continue to go up because more on the 30% demand and also the numbers are not for this company anytime. But for Okumu has marked down for this direct dividend. See the price jump back because the first quarter that came from Okumu was faster, was beyond market expectation. That is the reason why Okumu is going up. And also don't forget that globally, palm oil or not oil is a thing that is on high demand. And Okumu is also one of the companies that I know that according to the NDA that even the demand for their products here in Nigeria is not regulated. They don't meet that demand. It's just that they have one new demand that is at the big price of their products, actually a positive benefit. That is why as a design investor, look at several ways that the price of their products or their services are increased, and that will also impact on their work and their bottom line. That is what the promote is doing. So for Presco yet have acquired another palm oil company or their business in a different place in Port Harcourt. It's called Fiat Nigeria. And that alone is going to increase the share, the market share of the Presco, and that also going to impact on the bottom line of Presco. And Presco has also notified the market that they are likely to give bonus shares at the time dividends, so as market is expecting their year result. I don't think that you want result. This expectation is what is that Presco price.
All right, and now let's look at Nigeria Breweries. Talk to us about the shares of Nigeria Breweries because we had the price jump by 9.98% to close at 62 naira 80 kobo.
Yeah, I would say that the earnings of Nigeria is okay. Impressive, yeah.
I didn't get that. What did you say?
Then the earnings of Nigeria Breweries was impressive, yeah. The Q1 number was impressive. That is why market is reacting, in that direction.
All right. Now moving. You were going to say something?
No, go ahead.
All right. Now the shares of Itana are up by 9.97% to close at 6 naira 62 kobo. Do you see the stock sustaining this for long? And why do you think investors will continue to hold their positions?
Yeah, actually, Itana I will say the takeover, the mandate takeover approved by the Department of driving Presco, Itana sorry. And Itana performance for Q1 is not attractive. And the takeover price around the market takeover price around 50 kobo, and the price about 0.10%, price about 1.3 million units of shares. For me, that is what is done, but that will not take the price to that price of 13 naira because the earnings of the company will support that price. For me, the investors that are there for long term, for traders, cash on this moves and take the profit because if you look at what will get this price to that level, and also if they want to buy the 1.3 million units of the shares that is not based on the market, because for already a stakeholder in the company, I go to back football, they would like to okay, for me, it's not enough the price and that. If the price is going up, let's not take advantage of it and take profit and take the stock price because the earnings that get profit for that was not too effective and their clear result was also negative. Yeah.
All right, now on the flip side, let's look at Owando shares, which declined by 10% to close at 5 naira 67 kobo. And then we also have Mansard declining by 7.79% to close at 2 naira 25 kobo. What do you suppose is the reason for this negative sentiment?
Yeah, for Owando, I would say Owando has been a speculative stock, and Owando declining is not surprise to me. outcome of the 29, April 29 meeting shows that the numbers, 2019 number and up to 2020 number might not be positive, and for investors to hope for anything. And that's why it's coming down. But for me, for those that are medium and long term investors, you don't want to do anything below 5 naira. It's a good price for you to enter, because what is happening in the oil sector, especially the positive sentiment or positive fundamental news, and that also will impact one, especially when they start delivering their 2021 and 2022 earnings. That means if you are in the one who going to panic out, it's the long term investor, but that's for traders. But for those that are thinking medium and long term, for the one who comes that side for me, it becomes attractive, because that's a fundamental news for the sector where one is operating. It's a plus for the company. They said that as from 2021 financials of this company, we should see improvement, unless they want to tell the market another. But for the trend we are seeing globally, both international companies and local ones, see that all those operating oil sector are they're talking about positive results from their to the market. That means that one of those close with, especially for 2021 and 2022 financial year or results from one. But for Master, the Master result was, for me, was because market expectation. And after the markdown, seeing the result at the end of trading on Friday, 29th of April, the result was not impressive, because having this number, their top line was up, while their bottom line declined. That actually also affected the movement. But for me, if it's an investor to see Master coming down and also knowing the sector ways of operating, because we expect that the capitalization in that industry and the reform in the industry to impact the insurance sector. If you're not an investor, one can call it stable to project. But for traders, let your stop loss guide to and take your action at the right time. Yeah.
All right, thank you for that beautiful analysis. Now, what should investors expect today in the market?
Yeah, we have seen a positive trend in the market. The market as a signal is almost already doing about 0.3%. Market being about 154.20 points. Because that market is in green. I think this trend should continue. Despite, as I said earlier, the kind of rate hike in the US and other markets today, that I think in England and also ready to EU also hike like that. But that will affect the market, because I see that in most of the people who have a corporate market, while the global market also was struggling because of the fear of adjusting rate for. But for me, I think that this position was in the market to continue, but I will start to get to investors that profit taking is not that good. Market cannot remain in top actual position. Taking this market in top trend, correction of what to come, and that's why you need to take profit. And when you pull back, might jump back again, because market will continue this trend. Take one market this morning, but I tell you that profit taking is not that good again. Correction will come. Now the market are broken back for another strong resistance level of 50,000, 180, 50,400 and 58,000. Tell you that market can look another strong resistance level. That tells you that market is going up, but don't be carried away with the Trump trend. Take your profit at the right time, so that when market corrects, you can also come back for another cost. The market coming down, give the market more strength to continue the uptrend. Yeah.
All right, thank you, Ambrose Amodion, CRO Invest Data Consulting, for being a part of Business Breakfast.